This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB-Hub. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So the Model Y standard did it in 7 seconds. It's supposed to be 7.2 seconds. It's slightly faster than spec. Wow, that's good. But what should I say about it? I mean, 7 seconds is fairly fast compared to, for example, the MEB platform. They are usually doing it around 8 seconds and so. All right, acceleration wise, good. But I'll point out something here. Yeah, you see here. It felt a bit slow off the line. You can see that here it was slower than the other cars around it, and here 0.2 seconds slower. Here almost around 4.4 seconds, 0.5 second, 0.6 almost seconds slower, right? 0.8 even. But then past around 60 kilometers per hour, it quickly catches up. So yeah, I don't normally do this because it's barely legal, but if I would do a 80 to 120 kilometers per hour acceleration test, which is maybe more relevant for overtaking, then I would assume that the Model Y standard is quite quick. So people say that this is the new motor, don't remember the code for it, 4ML something, or I don't know, like a new type of motor that they put in here that is more efficient. But then some other people say, no, that was only for the premium, not for the standard. So I don't know. Yeah, 209 horsepower, but it is incredibly efficient, that's for sure. And then when it comes to noise, okay, I don't know, maybe it has something to do with the Hankook tires, but it's only 18-inch wheels, but 66 decibel. Does it have worse soundproofing than the regular premium? Well, it's up here, Uniper, a premium. Well, this is premium, but it was even wet. 65 decibel, but yeah, from what I remember, Pirelli P0 has the acoustic foam in it, so usually reduces rumbling noise. So, but 65 something versus 66, I mean, this is still okay, like on par with, for example, our Lexus RZ 550 e-Sport I tested not long ago. G6 Performance, but that was the old G6 Performance. The new 2025, I'm not sure where it was. It's up here, yeah. So, but this is still okay soundproofing. And then the last test was the braking test. So here, maybe these Hankook IU and Evo SUV tires, they're more optimized for efficiency rather than noise or performance, right? So braking performance, I mean, well, it's still on par with an i4 and iX, right? And then, yeah, so place number 17, I think it's still okay. It's like in the upper half actually compared to many of the cars on the bottom. Of course, and then we have winter tires on the bottom, but not at the very top here. But I think it's also okay. So you see, you pay the lower price, right? The standard price rather than the premium price, but you still get good performance. So that's what matters, right? And you still get the good space in a Tesla. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later. Man, this is a nice car, yeah.